Psychologists, coaches, and netting trainers, as well as self-help gurus, do struggle to understand your clients in a much more deeper manner? Or do you want to charge higher by adding one powerful skill? Well, then Graphology is for you. Graphology can help you understand someone's personality just by looking at their handwriting as well as signature. What can you find? Well, you can find about relationship habits, you can find about finance habits, you can find about communication skill, confidence, couple compatibility, and many other aspects just by looking at their handwriting as well as signature. Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple. I am also known as Mr. Graphology in the community, and I have written 3 books on Graphology which are best sellers on Amazon India. So if you want to complete Graphology, then these 3 books are for you. Okay, and I have trained 50,000 plus students from 100 plus countries via my online courses, blogs, videos, etc., which has helped learners understand their clients themselves deeply and improve their personality. And I am hosting a free live webinar on Graphology Handwriting Analysis where I will teach you how to analyze handwriting in a couple minutes, even if you are a complete beginner. And in this webinar, you will discover your personality red flags, relationship habits, finance habits, communication skills, confidence levels, mental stability, emotional stability, and many other aspects. 50,000 plus students from 100 plus countries have already joined this Graphology revolution, and now it's your chance to shine. And spots are limited for this webinar, so click on the link below and join right now.